good to have you back. Today we're going to swap some crypto into Monero. Maybe you've got Bitcoin, maybe it's ETH, maybe you're holding USDT or something completely different. Doesn't really change anything. If your assets are already sitting in MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Phantom, or another compatible wallet, you're pretty much ready. Now, I think this is the point where a lot of people get stuck. Buying regular tokens is usually pretty straightforward. Then XMR comes up and suddenly every guide seems to send you somewhere different. One tells you to install another wallet, next one says to use a different service. A few minutes later, you've got 5 tabs open and you're still nowhere near finishing the swap. I went through that myself. I only wanted to move into Monero. Instead, I ended up spending more time looking for a decent method than actually exchanging the crypto. Eventually, I came across this bridge, ran a few swaps through it, came back a few days later and used it again, and after that, it just became my usual way of getting into XMR, mostly because it keeps everything simple. All right, let me show you. I've already opened the bridge. Official link will be pinned below the video. So over here, I choose crypto I want to exchange. You'll notice there are quite a few supported networks available. That's actually convenient because I can work with assets I already own instead of spending extra time converting them into something else first. So then I enter the amount. Estimated XMR updates immediately so I can see roughly what the bridge is going to send before I approve anything. And if we scroll down for a second, there's also a section showing current Monero exchange rates against different cryptocurrencies. All right, then I connect wallet. Everything looks correct, so I click swap. Now confirmation window appears. A quick look at amount, receiving wallet, network. Once everything checks out, I confirm the transaction. And now we wait a little. Okay, nice. XMR just came through and that's exactly the experience I was looking for from the beginning. Open the bridge, choose crypto, confirm swap, wait a couple of minutes, receive Monero. No extra detours, no switching between different tools halfway through, no feeling like you're solving puzzles just to complete a simple exchange. So if you've been putting this off because it looked more complicated than it really is, hopefully seeing the whole process makes it a lot easier to understand. If something still isn't clear, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer. I've been using this bridge for the past several weeks whenever I need to move into XMR, and it's been consistent every time I've come back to it. And before we wrap up, one thing I've learned over the years is that a crypto service isn't worth much if it only works once. That's why I always test different networks, different assets, and multiple swaps before I mention anything on the channel. This bridge has been solid for me across all tests, and that's the only reason I'm comfortable recommending it.